What to do with $250,000. 10 thoughtful investments. Investing $250,000 wisely requires a diversified approach to maximize returns and manage risk. Here are 10 smart ways to invest your money. 1. Real estate ventures. Invest in residential or commercial properties to gain from appreciation and rental income. 2. Stock market investments. Diversify in blue chip, growth, and dividend stocks for balanced growth and risk management. 3. Gold investment. Gold acts as a hedge against inflation and market volatility. Consider physical gold or gold ETFs. 4. Cryptocurrency holdings. High risk but high reward. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum offer significant growth potential. 5. Bonds and fixed income securities. Government and high-grade corporate bonds provide stability and predictable income. 6. Mutual funds and ETFs. Diversify across asset classes with professional management for balanced investing. 7. Venture capital and startups. Invest in innovative startups for potentially high returns, albeit with high risk. 8. Retirement accounts. Maximize IRAs and 401ks for tax advantages and long-term growth. 9. High-yield savings accounts, ideal for short-term goals, offering liquidity and risk-free interest income. 10. Peer-to-peer lending. Lend to individuals or small businesses via platforms for interest income and portfolio diversification. Deploying your $250,000 across these options can enhance your portfolio, balancing potential high returns with effective risk management. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.